1 in 3 women worldwide experiences violence during her lifetime. 1 in 4 women experiences domestic abuse, the most common form of gender-based violence. But only 29% of women who experience domestic abuse report that violence. Why does this gap exist? Survivors often face barriers when they seek help and justice. The consequences can be fatal. Globally, 38% of murders of women are committed by a male intimate partner. Many countries have passed laws intended to improve access to justice and guarantee women the right to live free from fear and violence. But these laws have failed to lower the rate of violence against women. Latin America has the highest rate of gender-based sexual violence in the world. Many countries in the region, such as Brazil, El Salvador, and Mexico, have passed laws criminalizing femicide and domestic abuse. Yet almost 98% of cases involving femicide and violence against women and girls in Latin America went unpunished in 2016. Attitudes towards gender and violence are complex and deeply ingrained. Femicide, the killing of a woman because of her gender, is the most extreme form of gender-based violence. But globally, women face many types of violence and discrimination. No country can afford to ignore gender-based violence. The impact of violence is devastating for victims and their families, but there are also significant social and economic costs. The United Nations estimated that gender-based violence cost the world $1.5 trillion in 2016. That's 2% of global GDP, or the entire size of the Canadian economy. Gender-based violence is a question of economics, of justice, and of human rights. To learn more, check out the Wilson Center's new project examining gender-based violence in Latin America through a rule of law lens.